Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by microbiologist. Today I'm going to explain another lecture that is related to the tumor marker, and it is about the cancer antigen. So today I'm going to explain cancer antigen like CA125 blood test. So if you guys remember, we already talked about the different tumor markers, like we have talked AFP test, we have talked the CEA test, and we have talked HCG test. Now this is another lecture that is related to the tumor marker, and it is about the CA125 blood test. So my name is Muhammad Kamil Khan, and you guys watching Kami Microbiologist channel. So in this video, first of all, let's see that what is the cancer antigen. So cancer antigen is a type of the cancer antigen. CA125 is a type of cancer antigen that is mostly present in the female. It is not present mostly in the male. Okay, because it is produced by the ovarian cell, especially ovarian cancer cells, and this test is especially used to diagnose the ovarian cancer as well as the effect of the treatment which are specially performed to treat the ovarian cancer. The normal range of this will be less than 35 unit per milliliter. Okay, now let's see the procedure. Procedure is very simple. First of all, what will you do? You have to take the blood and then you will centrifuge it to get the serum. Then you will run it on advanced machine. The main causes of high CA125 is due to ovarian cancer, due to cancer of endometrium, breast, lungs, pancreas, fallopian tube, colon and esophageal cancer, liver cancer, hepatitis, cirrhosis, stomach, peritoneum cancer, lymphoma and lupus, pelvic inflammatory disease, uterine fibroids, menstruation and pregnancy. So these are the main causes through which the CA125 level get high. Now let me explain some important points. This is about that in case of the 20% female, the rate of the CA125 will be negative, or this test will be negative in case of 20% female, but still they have ovarian cancer. So from here one point is clear that CA125 is not mostly important that we can perform it for the cancer test. Okay, it is sometime it will be negative in case of the ovarian tumor. So dear viewers, this is all about the CA125. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos like that. Thank you so much.